Hey everybody, I'm StonerSlim, the high guy with the bow tie. And it's Tuesday once again. And yeah, this ain't the only day I get the munchies, but this the only day I share it with y'all. So grab your fresh weed, your fresh ingredients. We finna take another trip in the Munch, and StonerSlim gonna be your tour guide. Let's go!
Bitch, I got the sauce.
Hey everybody, I'm StonerSlim, the high guy with the bow tie. I'm back. And had to take a trip. Show blowing up. We getting lit right here. You know what I'm saying? So I had somebody call my phone. He was like, Stoner, you gotta come cook for me, but I ain't coming to where you at. So I guess I had to make a house call. So call me Dr. Chef Stoner. But without further ado, I want to introduce to you the hottest independent artist in Atlanta, the dopest person I know, and my brother. He go by the name of BOSSMAN CHINO. Y'all give it up for my brother, BOSSMAN CHINO.
And the crowd goes wild.
The crowd goes wild. Chino, what it do, bro?
Hey man, what's good, man? What's good, man? I see you got them whipping things up around here, whipping things up.
Nah, man, there's nothing major, you know what I'm saying? We just sitting Munch, StonerSlim, man. It's my brother, BOSSMAN CHINO.
You got me, man. I see you got these StonerSlim lighters, man. You know, nice, cool.
Different flavors, you know what I'm saying? StonerSlim lighters, Bowtie lighters, you know what I'm saying?
So,
man, you know, since I'm up in your kitchen, and you BOSSMAN CHINO or whatnot, I guess it's only right that I do something in special honor of you. So I guess we'll have the BOSSMAN burgers today. How that sound to you, my brother? BOSSMAN burgers, that sound good to you? BOSSMAN burger. Got a ring to it. Got a ring to it.
we're gonna put in these BOSSMAN burgers.
See, normally when you cook in the kitchen, when you cooking by yourself, you have ingredients. But when you in the Munch with StonerSlim, we don't have ingredients. We have ingredients, baby.
Hold on. Got an ashtray?
Dude, I have I'm at your house. Do you have an ashtray?
You mean tell me you ain't got no? What you dumping your ashes on, then?
Man, you know what? I might not put weed in my food. I might put ashes in it sometimes. See, he bringing out ingredients before I even start introducing him. You know what I'm saying? See, look, he brought the ashtray. Brought the ashtray and missed the whole ashtray. So, I'm not a vegan or anything. So, I'm gonna have some ground beef for my hamburgers, baby. Slappy Mama seasoning. We gonna have this burger up, season up right. I gotta do it right for my boy BOSSMAN CHINO. Season the salt, cause we salt the season, then season the salt. You know how we do it in the Munch. Not yet. That's the last thing. That's the most crucial ingredient. Soul food seasoning, cause even though it's a burger, it gotta have a little soul to it, baby. Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. You don't even know what I'm using it for, but watch when I use this, baby. Sweet Baby Ray. I'm using BOSSMAN CHINO. He got that Lowry garlic powder. That junk got that real sauce to it, baby. You know what I'm talking about?
Weed?
Yeah, one more thing. Black pepper, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna season this junk up right. And now, the most crucial ingredient of them all. I'm gonna let BOSSMAN CHINO put it up there. Put your jury, you know what I'm saying?
Weed.
Now you gotta put it in your ring hand.
Weed.
A bowl of Wheaties. Breakfast for champions, even though it's dinner time. And you can't roll your weed without a bow tie real low. A bow tie real low. And you can't light your weed without a bow tie real low lighter. Or like BOSSMAN CHINO said, a StonerSlim lighter. We got a whole bunch of these bad boys. So, it's gonna be done a little different today. Talking to my boy while he fixing this change, you know what I'm saying? One of the dopest artists I know. We're gonna be playing this music. We're gonna be talking about this music while we getting some cooking done. We really gonna be multitasking, even though we both getting faded in the Munch. So, we're gonna get this party started right. We're gonna season up my meat, get it all seasoned up right. Then we're gonna drop it off in the skillet after I pat it up, roll it, patty cake with it, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get this show on the road. But before we do that, BOSSMAN CHINO, tell these folks a little bit about yourself.
Hey man, you know what I mean, BOSSMAN CHINO, man, you know me. Follow me at BOSSMAN CHINO on everything. I got what you want me to tell them, man? When we talking about the mixtape, you know I got Perfect Timing, Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3 on the way.
Volume 3 on the way. We're gonna start from the beginning. We're gonna be here a little second. BOSSMAN CHINO, where you from? You know what I'm saying? What part of the town you represent? I know you're an A-town representative. Tell them exactly where you from.
You know, East Atlanta's on 6, you know what I'm saying? Go to Crush shit, 32, you know what I mean? We do this shit, man. But we East side shit, man, you know what I'm saying? Real East side shit, man, you know.
He been all over the city doing this thing, you know what I mean? I done known him for a long time. He was always popping when I met him. Now he more popping and stuff. He was telling you about his mixtape. But before you had the mixtape, before it was Perfect Timing, you had one of the hottest songs in
Fuck these niggas, I don't fuck with them no way.
You know what I'm saying? See, he had a song called
Can't trust these bitches, I don't fuck with them no way.
How much money did you make off that song?
It just wasn't enough. But we made a lot of money, won a lot of trophies, did a lot of good shit. Did a lot of hood shit, you know what I'm saying? Made a little stamp on it, you feel me? But this weed is smoking.
In the Munch with StonerSlim. Shout out my brother BOSSMAN CHINO. So, BOSSMAN CHINO, I'm gonna let you tuck off in the cut. You know what I'm saying? Get a little flavor.
I'll be back.
Yeah, be back. We finna get in the seasoning this meat the right way, the proper way. Oh. Mix it all up, mix it all up, mix it all up, mix it all up. Start it off right. First season I'm gonna start out with today is the seasoning of the seasoned salt. Good amount of bit in there. I like the taste of this seasoned salt. Dealing with my boy BOSSMAN CHINO, the Lowry garlic powder. Little soul food season. Who said a burger can't be soul food? Slap your mama. I ain't gonna put that monkey in there cause it got a big kick to it. The black pepper of the black pepper. It didn't make me sneeze. The sweet baby rays. Now, I said when I made the spaghetti I want to get messy. Let's get messy, you guys. Take it. Make sure you mix it all the way in. And the reason I put the barbecue sauce in there because I want it to be all the way in the meat. I don't want it to be a topping. I want it to be a flavor inside of the meat. Now that I have the seasoning and the barbecue sauce mixed all in, change the color and the texture of this meat. Now, take a handful in my hand, roll it up. I wish I was rolling something else up, but this will have to do for now because I got the munchies and the Munch with StonerSlim. I got the munchies and the Munch with StonerSlim. Get that thing thin down. So when you put it on the fire, it's gonna small enough anyway. So I want it to stretch out. Look like a steak and shake burger, don't it? Steak and shake, real steak burger, baby. Big bit. Voila. Roll, roll, roll the burger. Yes, I wish it was some weed. Pat it up, pat it up, pat it up, pat it up. My weed, it has no seeds. One for me, one for the boss man. I shall return. Let me wash my hands. Now that I did that, let me light my reefer. So, we put the burgers in the skillet. Now periodically we just gonna flip them, make sure they cooked all the way through. Make sure we get all the fats and all that stuff up out of there. Make sure we just got us a good burger. It's gonna take a few minutes. So, I'm gonna call the BOSSMAN CHINO back over here. Get back to talking to my brother. BOSSMAN CHINO, where you at, bro?
Pulling up, pulling up. The blunt went out, lost the light.
Hey, I lost my blunt over here seasoning up the meat for these
man,
folks.
shit smelling kinda nice over here.
Hey man, you know what I'm saying? Hey, the size all right for you, know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, you know.
You got a sneak peek of
the real bossy, man. Real bossy burger.
BOSSMAN burger, man, you know what I'm saying? So now, I'm back telling them the main event why I'm here. My brother BOSSMAN CHINO.
Yeah.
So, you know what I'm saying? Last year, around the 2019 season, I think you came out with a mixtape. You called it Perfect Timing. Ooh, Perfect Timing.
Go get that shit, man. Perfect Timing.
It's still out everywhere.
On everything, everywhere. You know, download that shit, man. Like, bro, they got like 15, 16 tracks on it, man. Banging shit, man. Heat, man. Go get that shit.
If I'm not mistaken, I even made a grand appearance on that song.
You got to know.
I made a grand appearance on that mixtape.
Still got this song, Lots of Liquor, man. Lots of motherfucking.
Shouts out our brother Lafayette Bands too, you know what I'm saying? He out of town right now. So perfect timing, volume 1 went so hard, BOSSMAN CHINO decided that he had to come out with another volume 1. Volume 2, perfect timing, volume 2, and he brought it out on Valentine's Day because he loved his band so much. Tell him what came behind that.
Valentine's Day, perfect time, volume 2, man. It came out, man. It's already out. Go get that. You already know how it go, man. Tracks like What It Do, tracks like Lil Hope, tracks like The Mail, man. All the classic songs, shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Shit, just in the club every day. You probably ain't know me. Go get that shit, man. Go get that shit. Download that shit. It ain't even 99 cents. You got Apple Music, you can get that shit free. You feel me? And you can definitely go get volume 1 for free. It's on my mixtapes right now. Go grab all that shit, man. But check this out. What you didn't know.
What they didn't know about Man Chino?
What you didn't know.
What they didn't know about Man Chino?
Volume 3 coming out this summer. You know what I'm saying?
He ain't even gonna put no date on it for y'all. Y'all got the exclusive to know that volume 3 already coming out. So not only do you have the music, the songs and whatnot, where can we find your videos? I know you got some dope visuals.
YouTube me, BOSSMAN CHINO, everything, man. I'm the only BOSSMAN CHINO. Google BOSSMAN CHINO. You gonna see my face. You gonna see this face right here. This face. It's only one BOSSMAN CHINO. That's my Instagram name. One BOSSMAN CHINO.
And that's why, because you're the only one BOSSMAN CHINO.
One BOSSMAN CHINO. Just a little time.
So, since I got you in the Munch for me, I'm gonna put you to work for a second.
You ain't burning the burgers.
I ain't burning the burger. I'm gonna put you to work for a second. You wanna do a flip one time, even though you about, man, you wanna just flip one time.
Hey man. You know, so I've been in the kitchen,
he got a song called Quick Flip too. He finna make that quick flip on their burger real quick.
Oh, this ain't the kind of whipping I'm using.
It ain't enough in the pot. It ain't enough in the pot. What you used to? Quick flip.
I mean, I be in the pot, just not flipping. You know what I'm saying? That ain't the kind of flips that I be doing.
So now, to the first flip of the burger. You know what I'm saying? Make sure they cooked all the way through. We're gonna do this a few times. I can't serve no raw burgers, and they the big boy burgers. You know what I'm saying? Cause I was so high that I forgot to get hamburger buns. So I gotta use loaf of bread. I don't even got hamburger buns. I gotta use a loaf of bread.
Let me tell you, man. We ain't had no hamburger buns growing up, you feel me? BOSSMAN burgers, you feel me? We got BOSSMAN burgers, you feel me? We using white bread, you feel me? Straight up, you feel me? That's how we doing this shit.
Hey, but it's giant though, cause that is small thing to a giant not having no hamburger buns in the Munch.
Look at this shit. These burgers ain't round, nigga. We don't make no round burgers.
We in the Munch. StonerSlim. Follow me everywhere. StonerSlim123. Follow BOSSMAN CHINO at one BOSSMAN CHINO. This ain't my blood, brother. Our mama couldn't make us no closer than what we is right now. We got a lot of stuff in the work too, man. Like, I had to bring my brother in the Munch. I had to bring him to me. He hit me up to ask, but he didn't even know he was the first person I had in mind when I branched out and started making house calls. Dr. Chef Stoner with one BOSSMAN CHINO. We got a whole mixtape they don't even know about out there.
Oh, you got your own blood.
We can swap them out. They don't even got to swap them out. We social distancing right now, you guys. We social distancing, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, man, look, man. I'm gonna go take a little break, man. I'm gonna go kick it for a minute on the couch until the burgers get done, man.
And my boy BOSSMAN CHINO finna go take a break. You still got me here with you, StonerSlim, I got with the bow tie, smoking on this good and weedy. Man, let's get back to flipping these burgers, man. See, that thing was so big, it broke. That the one that BOSSMAN flipped. He a BOSSMAN for real. He got people cooking for him. With that little piece breaking off, that let me know that the meat is cooking all the way through. So, we just gonna let it keep cooking and get a little bit more color into it. I'm in the BOSSMAN kitchen, so we finna throw the bread in the toaster. Do another flip of the burgers. And this skillet's so deep that it didn't pop me. Uh-oh, they getting some color to them. Soon as I said that, it popped me. Soon as I said that, it popped me. Burgers about done. Know what I'm saying? How to flip them guys like we flip the monies. You know? So, we got the bread toasting. Transfer it over to a plate, you know what I'm saying? Get our munch on. And then we're gonna be up out your hair. I'm gonna let BOSSMAN Chino come talk to y'all for a few more seconds. Then the munch gonna be over with. We gonna get to the favorite part of being in the munch, curing our munchies. Yes, sir. Find a flip for the burger. Now is the time to add the cheese because it's done cooking. You don't want to do it when you had to flip the burger. Would have did it when you had to flip the burger, then would have had cheese on the skillet. That's defeating the purpose. So now that we at the end, we add the cheese, my friend. Take that much. Add cheese to BOSSMAN burger. This is tacos. I add cheese to mine. I kind of keep mine on the no dairy tip. I wasn't Chino a BOSSMAN, but he like the simple thing. Like he said, just throw some ketchup on that Stoner. Take the time out too, like my reefer. And I ain't even get a chance to shake now. Hit him with the burger dance. Can't see me in the kitchen, boy. In the munch, boy, you can't. Get my cardboard out on these fools. So, now that the cheese is melted, BOSSMAN burger covered the whole plate. I mean the whole bread. Yes, sir. So, now the food is over. BOSSMAN Chino, you ready to eat, my boy? We got BOSSMAN Chino on their way back to the kitchen. I told you he been on that bottle over there. Take him a little second, but it's all good.
Man, I'm sorry, man. Look, man.
The whole reason I came here, he a boss man. The first person that I came make a house call for, we got what I like to call the BOSSMAN burger, and I present it to my brother BOSSMAN Chino.
Man, if I ain't never seen a hood burger, I ain't never seen a hood burger.
Hey man, we coming straight out of Atlanta with it, you know what I'm saying? Take a taste test for him on the camera, bud.
Bruh, hot in a motherfucker.
You see, see, look, when you got the money, it don't matter, you just go bite right into it. He just seen me get it out the skillet, y'all. He just seen me get it out the skillet. Here's young Stoner up the hot guy with the bow tie. Hit you with a house call in the munch. I come to your kitchen, you can come to mine. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter how you want to do it. Look at him, he can't eat. I was finna tell him where to find him at one more time, but he talking with him out for
At one BOSSMAN Chino. I'm gonna get my friend out.
Hey man, BOSSMAN Chino, I'd like to thank you for allowing me to come to your kitchen, man. You go enjoy that, man.
Make sure you clean this shit up too, man.
Yeah, I told you, that's the worst part of being in the munch. You gotta clean the dishes afterwards. But we're gonna end this show right here. I would like to thank y'all for taking your time out, for watching me on your favorite YouTube channel, your favorite Facebook channel. And if you like the music that you heard today, go follow my boy at BOSSMAN Chino, or go follow me at StonerSlim123. Links in the description below where you can find all the music at if you enjoyed it. But I would like to thank you for allowing me in your kitchen. Let's go get these munchies cured. I'm StonerSlim, the high guy with the bow tie, and I'm out of here. We in the munch.
Bitch, I got the sauce.